Hello guys, good morning guys, and we are here again guys on the deep well, but unfortunately the deep well has no sufficient water. So what we are going to do right now is to wait until this deep well filled with sufficient water, because the supply right now is not good. And don't worry about that brown thing, it is because it's normal in the nature. So yes, we are going to wait like about 30 minutes, or I don't know how long it takes, as long as there is a sufficient water there that we can use to take a bath, then we will. So for now guys, what we're going to do is, I have a pail here. We will going to get water. So in Bisaya, magtigom tag tubig. You know guys, in this particular place where I am living for over 30 years, it's been a problem for us in the community is the water supply guys. Yes, because we don't have tap water, though we have some resources, but a lot of, I don't want to mention that here, but yes, well anyways, struggle is part of life. It's part of countryside life. But yes, once this is full, I can slowly start taking a bath. Whew. So now guys, I have this, so let's start taking a bath guys. So guys, we are going to brush our teeth, and since this water is not safe for so I have this tumbler for toothbrush. And yes guys, I have this, and this one is a gift from a special person, a fan, a friend, or whatsoever we call that, from Australia. So let's go. I can't do deep throat guys. Huh? Yes. Guys, I also have here this one, guys. This is also one of the gift, so I like it, you know. See, ah, so we are almost done, guys, and yes, we are almost done. Last thing we are going to do is, this is also from one of the gift, guys, from, it's called from Australia, guys. So let's shave, and I have this one and I don't know how to use it. If it is after, let's read the direction. Okay, guys. I thought if it is after, like a cream, but it is a, you know, wait, yeah, so it's a cream. Squirting, yes. It works like this, guys. It's like a whipped cream, guys. I guess I put too much, but yes. So our mirror, okay. Okay. Wow. Wow, guys, it's my first time actually using this kind of thing. Yes. So yes, guys, we're done and we're good to go. So I am now on my new home, guys. Wait. And I do skincare. Bahalag pangit ta. Yes. Okay. Self-care, guys, is self-love. It's really cold. So this is also from our friend. So it's a sunscreen. Since I'm going to work in the farm today, let's put some, sunscreen. I like the sunscreen, guys, because there's no white cast, so it's perfect. Mura na siya mag-uuma, guys, nga kartihay kaayo man, di ba? And of course, don't forget the deodorantes. So yes, that's it, guys.